Hi guys, this is Vivian from Melbourne PTE Study Centre. I have a good news for all of the students who want to prepare for PTE exam. At the moment, we run the super deal for our Christmas holiday. And this deal is will valid until the 31st of December. So hurry up because it won't last long. So what is in this deal, especially for those who are new students want to enroll and prepare for your PT exam? We offer the 12-month PT preparation course, which is you pay $550 for 12 months. Plus, you also receive the 6 months for AIWA speaking access. Right now, the thinking here is for the first 10 students, you will get the even more, cheapest deal for the PT course, which is you will pay only $499. So this is only valid for the first 10 students who want to get this offer. Okay, you will pay $499, and after that, the special offer is $550 for 12-month course, plus with the 6-month free AIWA access for speaking. Okay, so I would say overall, you guys will save $550 because the original price of this course is $1,100. So it's pretty much 50% down from the original price. And if the first 10 students, they get enrolled early, they will pay only $499. So you guys can save $601 overall. So I would say this is quite a special and a super safe course for you guys if you want to prepare for the PT exam. And this offer only valid till 31st of December. So in this deal, you will receive all of our services, including consultation, AIWA PLUS, which is the platform practicing. Okay, you also have the PT portal. You also receive the mock test as well as the support from online and face-to-face as well. So hurry up because it won't last long.